Magic 89.9.
Back to your ride home, and our guests have finally arrived. Give them a warm Magic welcome. We have the boys from Rive. Hi, you guys.
Hello po.
Hi. Okay, so introduce yourselves. Let's go down the line.
Okay. Hi everyone, I am Rive Ishiro. Whoop.
Hello everyone, I'm Rive Matthew.
What's up, everyone? I'm Rive Asi.
Hello everyone, my name is Rive Russo.
And ako po si Drive Dre.
Hi.
And together, we have arrived.
We are Rive.
Oh, we have arrived.
Yep.
Yun pala yung reason kung bakit yun yung ano nyo. So why is that the name? Why is it we have arrived, tas Rive? Sino nag-isip?
It's actually like really planned. Ilang years naming pinlan to come up with the name. But we had a lot of choices, but at the end we really chose this name because we can do like a really lots of concepts with this. And also it's Rive because we come from different backgrounds. Kasi some of us are just in like the field of singing, dancing, even boxing, acting.
Ooh, boxing.
He's a boxer. And then
You, Asi?
No.
Russo.
Russo.
Wow.
Oh, wow, mukha ka palang boxer, no?
Yeah, so the concept is us coming from different backgrounds, we meet in one path. So that one road is where we meet and we travel together. So in every path or every achievement, every dream we have, we always arrive
Together?
together.
Oh.
We have arrived as one, and then we arrive wherever we perform and to our fans as well.
Okay, so you guys have arrived finally over here on Magic 89.9. You can watch them on twitch.tv/Magic899 as well as on Facebook. That is Magic899 as well. Okay, so you guys said magkakaiba kayo ng pinanggalingan. Different backgrounds, different cities, I'm also guessing, right? So what did you guys do before kayo naging Rive? Bago to.
Before ako nag-Rive, ang ginagawa ko is nagba-backup dancer sa industry. Binabackupan ko kagaya ng Bini, BGYO, AC Bonifacio, and other artists. Darren Espanto as well. And
Mamawi-wawi ka din. Pag may time ka.
pag may time. Pero yun, part din po ako ng isang group sa dance community, which is yung TPM, and nagko-compete internationally. Yeah.
Oh, okay, so dancer ka talaga.
Yes po.
Dre. Alright,
Yes.
okay.
Ako naman po si Russo. Ako po yung boxer sa amin. Before po akong pumasok sa showbiz industry. Start 7 years old po, nagbaboxing na po ako.
Oh, okay. So I saw somewhere, I think it was a media kit sent over to me. Somebody is from Jensen. Did I get that?
that's me,
Ikaw
that's
yun.
me, yeah.
Dapat lang. Diba?
Yeah.
Dapat lang. So have you won or have you gone to actual competitions for boxing?
Yes po. Naglalaro po ako ng mga national games po natin dito. Like Barang Pinoy, palarong pambansa.
Oh.
And also, naging part po ako ng national team. Start 2017. International din po yung laban po.
Okay, so from boxing, how did you get into performing?
I joined Pinoy Big Brother season 9. Yung pandemic era.
Oh, tas doon mo nahanap yung love mo
Yes,
for
po.
performing and dancing.
Yes,
I guess so, no? Kasi as a boxer, you have to be light on your feet.
And,
So
yeah.
dancing must come a little bit
Yes,
easier to you.
And also, before din po ako mag-boxing, sumasayaw talaga kami ng mga kapatid ko po.
Oh, okay. That's cool. Okay, so boxer turned dancer, singer, performer. Russo.
Yes po.
Okay, guys. Lima sila dito. I have to kind of like zone in on their names because I have to say unique names for these guys. Okay, wait. Asi?
Yes.
Okay.
Bukod po sa pagiging musikero ko before, kasi rumaraket-raket din po ako, like tumutugtog. Pero beside po doon, naging room boy po ako and call center agent po.
Oh.
Yes.
How did you get there?
Naghahanap po ako ng source of income for my
Yeah.
studies. And then, ayun po yung mga naging way ko para makapagtapos ng school.
Well, I'm very happy na you
Yeah.
finally got to where you want to be, diba? I
Yes.
feel like this is a passion talaga.
Yes.
And I'm glad na you spoke up about it kasi hindi dapat kinahihiya yung mga bagay na kailangan gawin para sa passion. Kasi I mean, Okay, well, radio is a passion. Doing radio is a passion. Singing, dancing is a passion. And for anybody out there who is chasing their passion and trying to make ends meet, di ba, yung odd jobs, kung ano-ano lang ginagawa para lang makita, to be able to support their passions, it's not something na kinahihiya. So I'm very happy that you said na yung pinanggalingan mo. Kasi it's no small feat to be able to be here, right? So we have to acknowledge the things that we've done before. Okay, thank you so much, Matthew.
Before po ako pumasok ng showbiz po, so high school student, as in college student, nag-e-extra po ako sa mga teleserye before. So, as
Kaya
in-
pala guys, mas makinis pa yung skin niya sa akin. Na-stress ako nung nakita kita.
Tapos ayun po, nagsimula po ako doon na naglalakad lang ako sa background. Tapos hanggang sa nagkakaroon po ako ng mga role minsan. Pero ang tawag pa rin po parang yung mga extra, ganun. Then, ayun, pinag-aralan ko po yung theater arts. Kasi doon sa pag-extra ko na yun, na-inspire ako sa mga artista na gusto ko po na maging actor someday. And then, nung pandemic po, na-discover ko yung K-pop, P-pop. So, I joined...
Ay, makakaya ko to. Madali lang to.
Parang gusto ko din maging idol So, dalawa na siya, actor tsaka pagiging idol yung gusto ko before. And then, nag-join po ako ng reality show. And then, tapos bumalik po uli ako sa acting.
Okay.
After nung reality show. So, pero there's something sa puso ko na hindi, gusto ko pa rin mag-idol. Parang kahit na ginagawa ko ng mag-act. So, ayun. Andito na po ako sa Rive.
Yan, you have arrived. Tunay
I have
na.
arrived.
Ito na yun.
Pinagpapatuloy ko po yung dream ko na gusto ko po maging idol.
So pag nawala bigla si Matthew, umacting na ulit siya. Yun na yung tinahak niya sa buhay. Oo, okay. So, wait lang. Ishiro. Yes, yan. Kailangan from right to left ko sila sabi. Pag left to right, baka maligaw ako eh. Okay, Ishiro, how about you?
Ako po, wala akong masyadong background before eh. Sa studies lang din ako. Pero ang main focus ko dati is nag-audition ako sa mga K-pop companies. So yeah, so ever since bukod sa pagsa-studies, ayan, mahilig naman akong kumanta and sumayaw din. Pero I think around mga 15 or 16, dun ako parang medyo mas naging active na gumawa ng mga audition videos, magpunta ng mga on-site auditions, hanggang sa, ayun po, yung reality show namin, which was, Dreammaker, last 2022. Yun yung unang parang television na exposure ko. And ayun, dun lang din nag-start na ma-build yung confidence ko kasi sobrang very shy talaga ako before. Also kahit sa social media di ako ma-post. So ayun, ever since that show, yeah, mas parang umaano na ako, go outside the box na parang mas naging
Out of your
outgoing na
comfort
ako.
zone.
Yeah, hindi na ako masyadong parang takot sa mga tao. So,
No, yeah, I understand. Because this job also, you have to be in front of people a lot. And you have to talk to a lot of people. Pero walang maniniwala sa'yo pag sinabi mo introvert ka. Kasi I'm sure you guys, pagka you're on stage, nag-iibang anyo eh, di ba? Iba na yung pagka kumakanta na kayo, pagka you're in your element. But nobody's gonna believe you if you say, hindi, takot ako sa tao. Promise, ayoko nakikipag-usap sa tao. So I completely understand. Now I have to ask, before we go through you guys' more career-based questions, Ishiro, Asi, Russo, why is that the names that you guys have been given by your parents, if so ever? Because I mean, Matthew and Dre, right? Gets ko, diba? Bible, tapos Dre, Andre, I'm sure, right? Okay. So kayong tatlo, saan pinulat yung pangalan niyo?
Ako, nung pinanganak po kasi ako, 1999. And,
Wow. Di mo kailangan sabihin.
Dinosaur.
Pause.
Favorite ng airpods ko si Asi Taulava.
Sino yun?
Isa po siyang PBA star player.
Okay,
Yes. And
okay.
then, pangarap kasi ng airpods ko na maging player din ako. So,
Oo.
Asi po ang pinangalan niya sa akin. Actually, Paul Asi po ako. Pero-
Player of music ka na ngayon.
Opo.
Imbis na player of basketball. I'm sure you play.
Yes.
Have you tried? Okay, yeah, okay. So, Russo, we'll go to you in a bit because I feel like yours has a more, I feel like medyo alam ko na kung saan papunta yung sa'yo eh. Pero yung kay Russo,
Ang sa akin po, name po ng mama ko is Rosalinda. Yep. And parang kinuha din ata po nila sa mga Russian people na pa. Ruso. Mga Ruso. So,
Very Filipino ang
Yeah.
origins ng name mo.
Yes,
Pangalan
po.
ng nanay ko na pinilit gawing pang lalaki. Diba?
Rosalinda, yeah,
Rosalinda
yes,
Russo. Okay. And it's a last name also. Did you guys watch Wizards of Waverly Place? Disney. It's a Disney show.
si Alex
Russo, right?
Russo,
Oo,
yeah.
yun. So, sa'yo?
Sa akin po, ang name po kasi ng father guys, Kiyoshi Ishiguro.
So, are you half
Half Japanese.
Oh.
So yeah, from Ishiguro, tinanggal lang yung gu.
naging
Ishiro na
Ishiro.
lang.
Okay. So that is the origin of the names. And you guys come from different places. And now you are performing on bigger stages, opening for big acts, and by the way, have won the new group artist of the year at the P-Pop Music Awards 2025, right? No small feat for you guys. And they might look shy in the booth, but do you guys get nervous pagka nagpa-perform kayo?
Sobra ba?
Always.
Always.
palagi.
So kinakabahan ba kayo ngayon? Or
Every
Yes.
time po sumasampa po talaga kami kahit saang stage. Lagi po kaming kinakabahan kasi ang namin, ang mindset palagi namin, mabibigyan namin ng magandang performance, every performance talaga namin. Yung mga nanonood sa amin.
tama. Strive for perfection talaga all the time. So paano nyo tinatanggal yung kaba? May pre-show ritual ba kayo pagka bago mag-go on stage?
Bago po kami mag-perform, syempre mag-uusap-usap and then we pray para kahit kabado kami, alam naming hindi kami pababayaan.
Yeah,
So,
that's nice.
nagtatapikan kami.
Yeah.
Nagtatabi ka. Oo nga naman, pagpatanggal ng kaba, tama, no? Patalon-talon, ganyan. But praying is nice. That's nice. Good kids, good kids. I say good kids as if like trentahin na ako, diba? Wow, okay. Going back into the music, your new song, you have songs that you're gonna be performing for us today. First song, yes guys, not one, but two songs. The first song that you guys are gonna be performing, Hakbang. So tell me about that song. What's the song about? What was the first reaction to hearing the song for you guys?
Una-una yung Hakbang po kasi it's about sobrang uplifting na song siya and very inspiring song. It's all about being patient, taking your time. Alisin mo yung pressure sa buhay mo, basta mag-antay ka lang ng tamang moment, tamang timing para sa'yo.
So it's about the right time. So taking the right steps
Yeah.
slowly.
Yes.
Kaya siya hakbang. Okay, so we have Rive in the Magic Studio performing their first song with Hakbang. Whenever you guys are ready, you're still listening to today's Best Music Magic 89.9.
Kundi man maaari ngayon sakaling pagbigyan lang natin umikot ang mundo. Oh, 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 araw ay darating sa'yo. Oh, oh, oh. Basta huwag magmadali, sulitin na ang gabi. Hakbang mo lang ang paa, damhin bawat sandali. At pag umikot ang mundo, oh, 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 araw ay darating sa'yo. Oh, oh, oh. Teka lang, pwede bang wag magmadali? Sabayan mo na lang, hakbang ko't di pa huli. Kasama mo nga abutin, hangarin mo na bituin. Kaya sumama ka na't iwanan ang pangamba. Pwede bang kumalmalang, palawakin ang isipan mo. Pwede bang kumalmalang, kung di mo man agad makuha unang subok, ganyan talaga. Di man maaari ngayon sakaling pagbigyan lang natin umikot ang mundo. Oh, 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 araw ay darating sa'yo. Oh, oh, oh. Basta huwag magmadali, sulitin na ang gabi. Hakbang mo lang ang paa, damhin bawat sandali. At pag umikot ang mundo, oh, 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 araw ay darating sa'yo. Oh, 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 oh. Basta't maghintay ka lamang. Oh, tingin sa dinadaanan mo. Di kailangan ng paspasan to. Siguraduhin lang ang hakbang kung saan patungo. Sabi nga nila di kailangang magunahan. Aabot ka sa dulo basta't hinay-hinay lang. Kung di ka pahanda sa mga gagawin mo, kumapit ka lang at tibayan ang puso mo. Pwede bang Palawakin ang isipan mo. Pwede bang kumalma lang? Kung di mamanagan ang kuha unang subok, ganyan talaga. Kung di man maaari, ngayon sakaling pagbigyan lang natin. Umikot ang mundo, oh, oh, oh. Araw ay darating sa'yo, oh, oh, oh. Basta huwag mong madali, sulitin ng gabi. Hakbang mo lang ang paadamhin bawat sandali. At pag umikot ang mundo, oh, oh, oh. Araw ay darating sa'yo, oh, sa'yo. Magic 89.9. What to do? Let's go. What's that? We are right. Basta't maghintay ka lamang. Oh, tingin sa dinadaanan mo. Di kailangan ng paspasan to. Siguraduhin lang ang hakbang kung saan patungo.
Today's Best Music Magic 89.9. You're still with me, Isabel, on the home stretch, and the boys from Rive performing their song, Hakbang. Now, if you missed the start of the interview, you can find us on YouTube. That's Magic 899 TV for you, as well as live on TikTok, as well as twitch.tv/Magic899. Okay, so now let's talk about you guys a little bit more. What does a day in the life for you guys look like? So normally, pag gising niyo sa umaga, anong una niyong ginagawa?
Ligo.
Dapat. No? Sana. Coffee. Oh, what's your
Breakfast.
go-to coffee order? Do you take it like black like a man?
Black coffee talaga.
Totoo.
And sometimes di na ako kumakain kasi
Di
ang hirap
yata
kasi
maganda yun.
kasi pag training po kami dediretso so mahirap po pag busog.
At saka pag
Kasi mabigat.
nakapagkape na kami, parang
Ganaan.
mahirap na rin lagyan ng pagkain yung tiyan namin kasi parang feeling namin busog
Busog
kami.
na, parang busog na.
Yeah.
Okay, so black coffee, kayo lahat, iced or hot?
Ito ang hindi na ba? Ito ang dalawa.
Di ba ako nagkakape?
Ayoko
ano yung
ng
sa
bitter.
Matcha?
Matcha, yes.
Oh, really?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, wow. I don't
Matcha
like
latte.
matcha. But I've heard...
Akala ko pa naman gusto niya.
Hindi. Wow. Right. Ang galing ng expressions. Mag-acting na rin ako very soon. Abangan niyo ako. Hindi, pero a lot of people like matcha.
Yeah.
I don't think it tastes like grass. I feel like it's too sweet for me. Ikaw din. Oh, si Asi yun, pataas-taas lang yung kamay. Nakikita ka sa camera.
Ay!
Okay, so matcha, black coffee. You don't drink coffee also.
I drink.
You drink
Pero
coffee?
Siguro anything sea salt.
Oh.
And ice.
Yeah.
She
Yun,
don't like
gusto ko yun.
sea salt.
Gusto ko yun.
okay.
Also,
don't
Viet,
like
Viet style.
Yeah,
Viet
no.
style, yeah.
Oh, yeah. No, but my regular coffee order is also black coffee. I think, yeah, ganun din siya. It's the throat kasi. If it's too sweet, it hurts my throat, I feel like. Wala namang may pake, pero yun yung coffee order ko, just in case you guys, baka may magdilang anghel. Okay, so after you guys get your coffee, breakfast for some, and then you go straight to training.
Yes.
Yes, training.
How long does training usually take for you guys?
3 to 4 hours.
Yan yung
Sa ngayon,
yeah.
Short, pag
Ngayon
short
na.
lang.
Pag wala
Yung
masyadong
minimum.
pag wala masyadong ganap or I mean hindi masyado big event. Yan yung namin, parang pinaka maikling
Minimum,
oras.
3 to 4
minimum namin
hours.
yan. Pero yung
Mahaba.
Pag may mga
pag-
main event.
pag may napinaghahandaan,
8
umabot
hours.
kami ng 8 hours
8
training.
hours,
yan.
buong araw.
8 to 12.
Ng preparation
8 to 12.
natin nung
Wow.
debut natin, di ba?
Yep.
Yes.
Parang ang umabot kami mga siguro pupunta kami ng training ng 9 a.m. Makakauwi kami minsan yan 10 p.m.
Wow.
Minsan umabot
Buong
tayo
araw
sa
talaga.
point na
12 midnight.
Kasi the reason why ayaw naming umuwi po talaga ng hindi
may
namin
kulang.
hindi namin na check lahat ng nasa checklist namin. So,
Saka hindi confident.
Yeah.
Yes.
Kailangan confident talaga na iharap.
maganda masarap yung tulog natin.
Yes.
Feeling ko naman kahit sinong pagod, masarap yung tulog.
Sobra.
Pero iba yung pagising mo sa
yung
umaga.
wala kang iniisip.
confident.
Kumbaga,
Tama.
kampante ka.
Tama. So perfectionist kayong lahat, you'd say? You'd think?
Yeah, as a group.
And also yung coach po namin. Grabe yung discipline.
Pulido talaga pag maano kayo.
Discipline yung ano niya sa training talaga.
Yeah, okay, that's good to have a coach who
Yeah.
also like respects you guys' respects your guys' image, because you never want to go on stage na
Yeah.
unprepared kayo, di
Pwede
ba?
mo ba namin siya i-shoutout?
Oo naman.
Yeah.
Sabihin ko bawal, di ba? Pwede.
Shoutout kay Coach Mavi Marquez.
Yes, Coach Mavi.
Coach Mavi.
Thank you so much, Coach, for preparing the boys for their endeavors. But also, okay, so training after, and then I'm sure tulog na yun pagkatapos, di ba? Kung kaya nyo pang kumain. Sino
Sometimes.
yung pinaka-late sa training na pupunta? Yung huling pupunta sa
taas,
training.
taas.
Di na kami magtuturo.
Hindi ako.
Taas na.
May sabay lang
Tanggap
tayo.
na ba niya kung late siya?
Wala tayo.
Ha?
Hindi ah.
So, ikaw yung late sa training.
Siya rin po.
Ikaw, ba't ka nanunuro kung late ka?
Kambal yan,
Same
kambal.
kasi po kami ng sinesteyan.
Ah.
Sabay kami dumadating. So,
Hindi pwedeng same kayong maaga.
damay-damay.
Kailangan
Late
same
isa,
kayong
late
late.
parehas.
Oo, di ba?
Hindi kasi po kaya po kami nagsasabay para tipid tips po sa mga transportation.
Baka gusto nyo
Hindi.
magtipid ng maaga. Pwede naman
Pwede rin yun.
yun.
Pwede rin yun. Tama. Hindi kaya
Nagagawa
kayo
naman.
Kaso di namin tinitipid yung tulog na.
Ayun lang.
pinipili yung tinitipid. Kaya sila sabay pumupunta para hati yung galit
Yeah.
pagka nakita silang late.
Yeah.
Pero may update
Tama.
po this 2026.
Yeah.
Hindi naman na nila.
Hindi na kayo nililate.
Yes.
Maaga pang taon. Okay, January pa lang. Patapos
Okay,
pala
okay,
tayo.
okay.
Hindi pa tayo na
Maaga pa.
wala pa tayo doon. Okay, so on the show, on the home stretch, I do movie reviews every now and then. So I'm gonna ask you guys, what is your favorite movie? Doesn't have to be current. It could be favorite movie of all time, favorite movie ngayon, and why?
Iisip pa ba kayo? Ako meron na ako.
Sige,
Meron
ikaw muna.
ako.
Ako Avengers Endgame.
Oh,
So, kaya
3
sobrang hype
hours
ako. Yes.
of ano?
Sobrang na-hype talaga ako na magkakaroon na ulit ng Avengers Doomsday.
Doomsday. Anong feeling mo na si RDJ na yung si Dr. Doom? After
Mixed
niya maging...
emotion, syempre.
Diba?
Kasi napapag-connect ko na like, ano yung magiging reaction ni Peter Parker and
Oo.
everything. Tapos yung anak niya, di ba?
Ang gusto ko malaman, if they're gonna play it off na parang, ay hindi, this is not Iron Man, this is just Dr. Doom. Or are they gonna be like, Spider-Man's gonna look at him na parang, no, you're Iron Man,
Yes,
diba?
exactly.
Tama. Magkita tayo sa sinihan pag nanonood na rin kami yan. Okay, so, Asi, Avengers Endgame. Do you have something, Matthew?
Ako po yung ano. Siguro kahit ilang beses ko pa panoorin yung Fast and Furious Tokyo Drift.
Oh, that's a good one. Yung may ano, si Suki? With Suki?
Ako basically yun din po yun.
Mm.
Pero kasi ano nagiging nerd po kasi ako pagdating sa kotse as in sobrang car guy ko po kasi.
Oh, did
Kaya
you watch anime?
Initial D?
Initial D? Yeah. But I haven't watched the live action. Hindi ko alam kung gusto ko siyang mapanood. Pero napanood ko na. Initial D is good. I don't know which came first. Initial D or the Fast and Furious
Initial D.
movies?
Initial D, di ba?
Initial D. Okay. So, okay. Yeah, I got a grasp. Ooh, mamaya na lang. I'll show you. I have, because in Initial D, you guys, so he drives,
A80.
yeah, that
86.
car. And then at some point, he evolves into a Subaru
Yeah.
Impreza, right?
Subaru,
That is
yeah.
my dream car. What's your dream car?
Skyline GTR.
Kasi nga nanonood siya ng Fast and Furious. Kaya yun yung pinili niyang
Paul
kotse.
Walker.
Yeah, okay. So Fast and Furious for Matthew. Do you have one? Or do the guys on the other side have one?
Nakalimutan ko yung title eh.
Sige,
Kwento mo
Pinoyhin
na
yung
lang.
tao,
Pero y-
bagay.
Kay JC ata yun. Tapos parang yun yung
Sandaang.
hindi siya isang daang tula. Teacher siya sa history. Tapos makakalimutin siya.
Okay, wait.
Tapos lagi niyang nakakalimutan lahat ng bagay.
Kaya mo ba siya favorite kasi nakalimutan mo na rin yung title?
Parang gano'n na nga. Pero
Nakakalimutan? Ano to? Di, parang alam
kasi
ko
ang
nga
ganda
yan.
ng story niya. Kalimutan ko yung title.
Pero walang
Basta-
makakaalam ng story niya kasi hindi niya alam yung title.
Guys, i-comment niyo po yan, guys.
Comment down below kung alam niyo. Pero yun yung favorite
ang
mo.
ganda, opo. Sobrang ganda
So,
po. nun.
more on original Filipino movies yung type mo.
Yes po. More on
Oh.
Filipino movie po.
Right, yeah.
Yes
Oo, OFM. Di ba ang galing? I just watched isang daang kanta para kay Stella
wow.
very recently. It's on Netflix.
Bella Padilla po yung lagi kong pinapanood din also with JC.
Right, yeah. No, Bella Padilla is a whole different entity when
Yeah,
she's on film.
sobra.
I saw her in real life and she looks exactly the same
Sobra po.
as she
Lagi
does.
po namin
yeah.
siya nakikita pag nasa showtime po siya.
Yeah, no. Sobrang, I like that
Yeah.
film. I do. Pero the thing is, I like Kyle Achari, but in that film, sobrang, I was so annoyed at his character there. But yun, hindi natin mapag-usapan yung film mo kasi hindi ko alam yung title. Pre,
nga
paano
po.
yan? Okay. For Dre?
Ako po hindi siya pero One Piece movie. ng
One Piece, the movie?
Real action.
Ooh, okay.
Live action.
Yung live action na.
Real action tuloy.
Real
Live action.
Real
Live action.
Totoong bakbakan yun nangyayari.
Also the anime. Anime din.
Also the anime.
Yeah.
I've never watched the anime.
no?
Is
Maganda.
that good? Is it good? The anime?
Maganda yung anime.
Mahaba siya
Sobra.
eh,
Yes.
diba? Tama?
As of now, nasa ko, 898 episode.
Wow, wait.
Wow.
898?
800.
Ako 899. Magic 89.9.
Oy, naisingit.
Oh, lagyan kitang star mamaya. Bet ko yan. Okay, so, One Piece, the real action movie.
Yeah.
Oh, so you guys do watch anime. Are you watching Jujutsu Kaisen?
Yep.
Right, excited na ako sa Friday, the new episode of Jujutsu Kaisen. I'll talk about it probably on Monday on the show if you guys are interested. But for Ishiro, what's your favorite movie?
Ako, ngayon ko lang naalala. I think, di ko sure yung title, pero parang,
Isa ka ba?
parang Last Holiday ata siya.
Last Holiday.
It's about a woman na parang nalaman niya bigla na parang may taning na yung buhay niya. So, she like withdrew all of her money.
Okay.
Tapos nagpunta siya ng ibang bansa
Okay.
sa luxury hotel. Tapos ginastos niya lahat ng pera niya. Na, kasi since last days naman na niya yun. So parang lahat ng pinaghirapan ko, I'm gonna spend this on the last 2 weeks of my life. So, ang ganda lang ng vibes ng movie kasi Christmas movie siya actually. I think Last Holiday nga siya.
What? Is this a Western film?
Western.
Last Holiday. Sinong bida? Maalala mo kaya?
Hindi ko sure. Hindi ko maalala po.
Sige, so search natin
Pero African-American.
Oh,
siya.
Last Holiday. Ooh, this seems like...
I'm not
is
sure
it
if it's Octavia Spencer or something.
Oh. I'll search it later
Yeah.
and then we'll figure out what that movie is. Lalo yung sa'yo, Diyos ko Lord.
Ano, naalala ko na pala.
Talaga ba?
Yung tao, hindi yung title. Hindi pala si Jay-Z. Si
Sino?
ano pala, JM De Guzman.
Hindi rin nakatulong. Hindi ko rin maalala.
Pero makakatulong yun pag sinabi ko po ano. Basta yung makalimutin ho siya, tapos teacher siya ng history, parang ganun.
Ayan. Oo. For somebody who
Makomment na lang
teaches
po.
history, makalimutin
Yeah.
siyang tao.
Yes po.
No? Is it a love story?
Love story po siya.
Oh, okay. So,
Mahilig po ako sa love story na laging kasi doon ako nakakuha ng inspiration pag gumagawa po ng song.
oh,
Yeah.
for films, yung
Yeah,
hinahanapan
yes
mo.
po.
Have you ever written a song about experience or is it more so you get it from movies na you watch?
Meron pong more on experience po. More on experience po yung nasusulat ko. Especially yung hakbang, mga ganun.
Journey.
Hollywood.
Malabo yung mata ko eh. May pinapabasa sa akin dito. Ano yun?
Lasting moment.
Lasting moments.
Wala. Does not
Sino
ring a
partner niya?
bell at all.
Yeah, Su Ramirez. Yeah. Su Ramirez.
Pacheck na rin po, please, yung sa kanya. Ayan.
Sobrang
Lasting
ganda nun.
Memories,
Lasting-
right?
yeah.
Okay. So, Lasting Memories, One Piece, the movie. Wait. Avengers Endgame, Fast and Furious Tokyo Drift in specific, and totoo ba?
Let's see. It is Last Holiday.
Last Holiday.
Start by Queen Latifah.
Oh, Queen Latifah. Oh, that's an old movie.
Yeah,
You like
parang
old
2000s.
films.
Actually, yeah, yung mga
Yeah.
parang mga Home Alone vibes.
Oo.
Yung mga
Oo,
ganun.
maganda
That's
yung mga
true.
ganun.
That is a
Maganda,
good one.
maganda.
That's a good one. There's also another one. Oh my gosh, I can't remember. The Holiday. The Holiday with Cameron Diaz, Jack Black. That's also like a 2000s film. That's Christmas din siya if you want to check that out as well. So thank you so much, you guys, for sharing that little piece of you. But now moving on to your song, the next song and the last song that you guys are gonna sing for us, Ooh La La. Ooh La La, right? Well, I was hearing the sound check and truly, ooh la la to the ears, everybody. What is this song about?
Yeah, Ulala is a song about wanting to escape with someone special. Kasi the lyrics say, sumama ka sa aking mundo.
Oh.
So you want to take that person, anywhere na kayong dalawa lang yung magkasama. And that kind of love, the feeling you guys feel makes you go ulala.
It's that
Filled with
feeling
love.
of ooh la la. Got it. Okay, so we have a song about journey and about wanting to go towards the next step of your life. And now we have a song about love, truly making you feel ooh la la. We have Rive on the home stretch with me, Isabel. Whenever you guys are ready, you're listening to today's Best Music Magic 89.9.
Ilang sulyap kaya bago mahalata Paulit-ulit man hindi magsasawa What change inside your mind for you to come my way. From running away to wanting to stay. Be safe here in my arms. Ang hantungan, tara na. Papunta na sa kasukutulan. Halika, palis na lang ka sa lukuyan. Magkikita tayo sa gitna ng alabaan. Sumama ka sa aking mundo. Abutin ang mga tala.
Gawin na lahat, walang makakahadlang. Basta kasama ka lang.
Hindi nakakasama. Kahit hanggang umaga.
You got me high, so don't try to take it, baby. I don't wanna come down.
You make me ooh la la la, ooh la la, ooh la la la, ooh la la, ooh la la la, ooh la la.
Forget the open road and let's take it to the skies. Alright.
Kinda feeling faded lately. Turn up the music so I know you feel this melody. Can't wait another minute till I'm in ecstasy. Hantungan, papunta na sa kasudulan. Oh, paalis na ng kasalukuyan. Magkikita tayo sa gitna ng alabaan. Sumama ka sa aking mundo. Abutin ang mga tala.
Gawin na lahat, walang makakahadlang. Basta kasama ka lang.
Hindi nakakasama. Kahit hanggang umaga.
You got me high, so don't try to break it, baby. I don't wanna come down.
You make me ooh la la la, ooh la la, ooh la la la, ooh la la, ooh la la la, ooh la la.
Don't forget the open road and let's take it to the sky. Yeah. Woo. Magic. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Sumama ka sa aking mundo. Abutin ang mga tala.
Gawin na lahat, walang makakahadlang. Basta kasama ka lang.
Hindi nakakasawa. Kahit hanggang umaga.
You got me high, so don't try to break it, baby. I don't wanna come down.
Sumama ka sa aking mundo. Abutin ang mga tala.
Gawin na lahat, walang makakahadlang. Basta kasama ka lang.
Hindi nakakasawa. Kahit hanggang umaga.
You got me high, so don't try to break it, baby. I don't wanna come down.
Ooh la la la, ooh la la.
Hey.
Ooh la la la, ooh la la.
Hey.
Ooh la la la, ooh la la.
Forget the open road and let's take it to the skies.
Alright.
Today's Best Music Magic 89.9. You're still on the home stretch with me, Isabel, and the boys from Rive. Thank you so much, you guys. And if you had missed the performance as well as the interview, you can find us on YouTube. That's Magic 899 TV. Now, did you guys have fun? Yay! Thank you so much. Sa muling uulitin. And when, or if the fans, or if the listeners want to find you guys, where can we find you? Gigs, online, new songs coming up as well. What is in store for Rive?
Abangan niyo po ang aming music video ng Hakbang this January 30 sa YouTube channel po ng Star Music. And
Ayun guys, you can also follow us on all social media platforms at RivePH. That's WRIVEPH.
Ayan. And also, follow nyo yung pakinggan nyo yung songs namin. Nakalabas na siya sa lahat ng digital streaming platforms. And also, naabangan namin yung Hakbang Dance Challenge nyo. Huwag nyo kami kalimutang itag sa TikTok.
Panoorin namin yan.
Mismo.
Yes, guys, and also the music video of Hakbang will come out this January 30 on the ABS-CBN Star Music YouTube channel.
Tama, at pakinggan nyo po ang
Yes,
album na.
Yes, and also guys, we're gonna announce our events this February. On February 15, we'll be at Santo Niño Poblacion Muntinlupa Fiesta.
Yeah.
February 21, San Marcelino Zambales, and on February 28, KCC Mall de Zamboanga.
Yes.
Yeah.
Free admission po yan guys, so
Yeah, we hope to see you guys there.
See
Our
ya.
arrows.
see ya.
All right, so those were the boys of Rive. Dre, Russo, Asi, Matthew, and Ishiro right here on the Magic Studio. If you want to find them, they are Rive PH everywhere, social media. That's TikTok, X, Instagram, as well as YouTube. Yes?
Not yet.
Yes, YouTube.
Wala pang YouTube.
Coming soon.
Coming soon. Yeah, and don't forget to stream all of their music available on all digital streaming platforms. Once again, thank you so much for coming to the studio, you guys. You're on the home stretch with me, Isabel. You're listening to today's best music. We are Magic 89.9.
Magic 89.9.